Culinary Museum. Today I'm bringing you an elegant combination of porcini mushroom, artichoke, and semi-dried tomato and simmered egg. Serve it with saffron focaccia. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, and let's get started.
So now we explain the plate is we have the saffron focaccia, and top we have the ricotta and mascarpone with truffle. On the other side is we have the porcini mushroom, portobello mushroom simmering on the tomato sauce, and simmer egg on top with the truffle and semi-dried tomato.
Thank you for joining Culinary Museum by Chef Mohamed Abdell. Share your creation in a comment below and stay tuned for more incredible dishes.